Nature's playground, culture that dances to life, history comes alive, food, heaven, vibrant cities, wildlife wonders, warmth and welcome, and so much more. I'm Sodo. Welcome to my home, Ivory Coast. Relax on the golden sands of Gran Bassam, Asenia, or San Pedro, offering tranquil waters and vibrant coastal vibes. Explore UNESCO-listed Thai National Park, home to rare chimpanzees, and Como National Park, one of West Africa's largest protected savannas. Mount Nimba. Hike this UNESCO World Heritage Site, known for its biodiversity and panoramic views. Thai National Park, UNESCO site, to spot rare birds. Our festivals experience vibrant events like the Carnival of Bouake, showcasing colourful parades and masks. The Grand Bassam. Wander this UNESCO-listed colonial town, brimming with 19th century French architecture and a poignant museum on Ivorian history. Our architectural marvels, Basilica of Our Lady of Peace. Visit Yamoussoukro's iconic basilica, one of the world's largest churches, inspired by St. Peter's in Rome. Shop for traditional crafts at Marcha de Trikeville or colourful fabrics at Adjama Market. Enjoy savour dishes like attiéké, fermented cassava, kejanu, slow-cooked chicken, and aloko, fried plantains. Fresh seafood is a coastal highlight. Waterfalls. Trek to scenic cascades like those near Man, Les Cascades, or Mount Tonqui, and ride waves in Asini, or kayak in Ebrier Lagoon. The warm hospitality of the lovely people of Ivory Coast. They are known for their joie de vivre. Ivorians welcome visitors with open arms, offering homestays and cultural exchanges. The adventure continues. Bike through cocoa plantations and enjoy the scenery. Let's not forget the beautiful, unique, and amazing jewellery that are works of art. That was just a little touch of beautiful Ivory Coast. I am hoping you will put Ivory Coast on your must-visit list. Thank you for being here on Children's Passport to the World.